Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad and dressing. First, select your greens like romaine or spinach, ensuring they are thoroughly washed and dried. Next, gather a colorful assortment of vegetables such as bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. Don't forget to include a protein source, perhaps some grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, or a handful of nuts to make your salad a complete meal. Building a great salad is all about layering. Start with your greens, then add your heavier vegetables, and finally your lighter toppings. Think about contrasting textures. Crunchy croutons, creamy avocado, and crisp radishes create an exciting experience. A small amount of healthy fats, like a quarter of an avocado or a tablespoon of sunflower seeds, adds richness and essential nutrients. Now let's talk about dressing. A basic vinaigrette is easy. Combine 3 parts olive oil with 1 part vinegar, like apple cider or balsamic. Whisk them together vigorously or use a small blender to emulsify the mixture until it's creamy. Season with salt, pepper, and perhaps a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. You can customize it with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon, or a hint of maple syrup for sweetness. For the best experience, always dress your salad right before you plan to eat it. This keeps your greens crisp and prevents them from becoming soggy. Store any leftover dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It typically stays fresh for up to 5 days. Remember, a well-made salad is a delightful and healthy meal. Also, for an effortless way to keep your kitchen clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.